Hi, my name is Tony.
And I'm Catherine.
We are the designers for Rezt and Relax Interior, and we want to showcase our latest project in Panorama, Condo. And welcome in.
We designed the half-height shoe cabinet and the mirror to make the house look more spacious.
This is a unique feature wall with silver coating, and we frame up with bronze mirror to give it a sophisticated look.
For glamorous feel, we come up with this double curve for ceiling design.
Behind us is one of our favorite features of the house.
It is a stucco wall with a marble finish proposed by our designers Tony and Catherine.
We like it a lot because it is unconventional and it adds on to the glamorous feel of the house.
This is a guest room with display cabinet and platform bed with storage underneath.
This is an empty corner which we turn it into a study.
We designed this full-height cushion bed head to give the master room a more glamorous feel.
We dismantle the original wardrobe and turn it into a walk-in closet.
We are very happy to have engaged Tony and Catherine for our house as our interior designer.
They are very professional, they understand our needs, and has managed to turn our house into a very cozy home that we both love very much.
Overall, we are very satisfied with the outcome of the house and would definitely recommend them as interior designers for others. Behind every good design is a good designer. Thank you, Rezt and Relax Interior.
Thank you for watching this video.
With Rezt and Relax Interior, once a customer, always a customer.